Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a full interior protection kit by Galvagnite. This is for a 2022 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's get it installed and check it out. A big thank you to Galvagnite for providing the product for this video. We recently purchased a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit, and Galvagnite offered us this full interior protection kit to test out. Constructed from an odorless TPE material, this interior kit is going to offer some ruggedized protection. This comprehensive kit includes this cargo area mat with integrated seat back protectors. There's pre-installed Velcro backing on the underside of the seat protectors. Moving on to the driver and passenger side mats, these are going to offer some great protection from mud and snow. They are nice and deep, and they're going to keep all that mess contained. And on the back side they have these clips which will keep the mats in place in the OEM clipping mounts. And next up is the one-piece rear mat. This means that you have full coverage in the back seat area. They go fully underneath the front seats, and then also that transmission tunnel cover is also fully protected. They also have 4 integrated clips to make sure they stay in place. And these wings actually have Velcro on them to make sure they remain secure as well. And finally you have the 4 door sill protectors as well. This really does make it a comprehensive protection kit. These are all held on by a VHB 3M style tape. First, you're going to want to remove your OEM mats. You have to remove them, don't lay these over the top of your original mats. Then insert your mat and clip it into the 2 retaining clips. Simply press on them until they snap in place. Then you want to remove the driver and passenger rear mats. And then slide in the one-piece mat. You'll want to slide it underneath the driver and the passenger seats, and then maneuver it around the edge of the rear seats. Make sure to clip down those 4 retaining clips. Here's that Velcro I talked about. You can choose to use it if you want to or not. Then moving on to the passenger side, remove that mat as well. And then install your new mat as you have done all the others. Make sure to clip in those 2 retaining clips. For the rear cargo mat, I suggest you fold down the rear seats first. Remove your OEM mat if you have one, and then insert your new mat. Make sure you slide it in position before you work on the seat back protectors. Next you'll go around and you'll just pull the seat back protectors into place. My seat backs are carpeted, so I peeled off the Velcro covering so the hook and loop will attach to the carpet on the back of our seats. Your application may be different depending on the model, and you have to stick them on. Press them down and wiggle them in a backwards and forward motion, and that Velcro will stick to the carpet. There are also 3 elastic retaining straps that you need to secure around the headrests. Repeat this process for the other 2 headrests. And now moving to the door sill protectors, make sure you clean the area thoroughly first. Remove the red backing from the 3M style tape, position them and press them down firmly. It's the same process for the rears. Remove the red backing film, position them and press them down firmly. Once they're installed, you can see that they have no effect at all of the door closing and opening. And that's the case on the front doors as well. Now that we've got everything installed, you can see just how much protection this whole kit is going to provide you. These mats were laser scanned throughout the whole vehicle, so you can see they're going to give you as much protection as possible. These mats go right underneath the driver and passenger seat, and then roll around the edge of the rear seat. And they cover that transmission hump in the middle as well. And moving around to the cargo area, you can see just how much this whole area is covered. It really is offering edge-to-edge protection. And then the integrated seat back protectors are going to really look after the back of your seats. You still have full access to your tethers and tie downs. And on the passenger side, it's the same story. You've got your door sill protectors, and then the mat goes underneath the passenger seat. You can see this whole area is fully protected. And finally, on the passenger side front footwell, you have full coverage all the way underneath the dash. Any mud or snow is going to remain in the mat and not on your carpet. As with any interior protection kit like this, floor mats, rear cargo mat, etc., you're just replacing what you had in there. This took a little bit more time because you got the door sill protectors to stick on there, and then just messing around with the Velcro, etc., on the back of the seat protectors. But overall, this offers amazing full coverage. You shouldn't have any issues inside your Jeep at all. The floor mats offer a lot of protection against snow and mud. And then in the back cargo area, the seat backs are protected, so they're not going to get scratched or torn. And then the covering on the main cargo area as well. That's really going to give you some nice protection. Overall, very happy with this set. If you like it, there's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.